Hi guys, this is your friend ARMUD, and today I will tell you how to remove the rust from the alloy parts of your bikes or motorcycles or cars. As you can see here, some amount of rust has started to build up on this rim. So I will tell you how to clean this rust in minutes and how to get a new shining and bright rim. What you need is vinegar, synthetic vinegar, aluminum foil, and that's it. Okay, so what we do is take a small amount of vinegar in any cup or beaker. Take a piece of aluminum foil, just crumble it and dip it in the vinegar. Rub the aluminum foil on the rusty part. As you can see, the rust will start to go off. Do not rub very hard, just rub it gently a couple of times, and as you can see here, the rust will start to go off. So here it is, bit reduced. So this is it, already shining like new. A small spot left only. Okay, clean it with a dry cloth, and here it goes. Alright, so it is already shining like a new one. Just to add glitter to the gold, you can give a lacquer spray, the clean lacquer. So you can just spray it, let it dry, and here it is. Your cycle is just like the new one. Thank you. Like and subscribe. Bye.